Voice Software Development Kit, or in short, the Voice SDK, to give you a full end-to-end solution that connects Symbl over a phone call connection or SIP connections. With Voice SDK, it will stream the voice data and allows you to push speaker event with user information such as username and email ID. With Voice SDK, developers have more flexibility and customized integration such as pushing custom events. Let's get started with the example code for implementation of Voice SDK in a Node.js environment. Make sure you have installed the latest Symbl Node package. In this example, I am using version 1.0.3. Let's take a look at the code. Make sure you have imported both SDK module and speaker event module from the Symbl Node package. After that, initialize the SDK using your application ID and your application secret ID that you can retrieve from your Symbl application. After you initialize, you have to start the connections. In this example, I am starting the connection endpoint using a PSTN connection type, which stands for Public Switch Telephone Network, and I'm putting my own phone number without the DTMF code. If you want your application to join the Zoom meeting, put the corresponding phone number, and the DTMF code will be the 10-digit meeting ID followed by hashtag. When the connection stops, I will invoke an action to send a summary email to my email. So I put my email over here. When the connection starts and successfully connected, I will push a speaker event to identify the speaker with a name John with its email ID of john@example.com. This speaker event will be pushed at 1 second after the conversation is started. And after 10 seconds, we will push a stop speaking event so that the conversation after 10 seconds will not be identified coming from John. The time duration of 3 seconds and 10 seconds were hard-coded for this demo to show the capability of pushing event during conversation to map audio to the speaker. We are scheduling to stop the endpoint call after 60 seconds using the stop endpoint method with the connection ID as the argument. And that's all. So let's have a look at the demo. I will run the file. And you will receive a phone call from Symbl. And this phone call will be until 60 seconds. Hey, it's me, John. Thank you for calling me. I would like to share the progress that I have made today. I have completed the documentation for my latest changes. I am planning to share it with the design team. I will send a meeting invite in a couple of hours. Apart from this, I did some research to improve the performance of our web application. I was trying to do the HTML chunking and the result seems good. I have already finished basic proof of concept for this. I need to review with my approach with James to get his opinion on it. I will document the details and share the result of my research in the meeting tomorrow. I guess that's all from my side. So the stop will stop after 60 seconds and you will get a response in your console and you will supposed to get an email that shows the meeting summary insights. Or you can retrieve the summary from this email ID. Okay, that's the email. Let's have a look. So this is the summary and you can also view the full summary. Here it is, the transcription for all your conversation within that 1 minute. That's all. Thank you.